Okay, this is part 3 of ladder escape. Right now we're this far. We've gone up through, we dropped through the triangle and hit, and we're here. From here you actually pop the yo-yo off the string, you drape the yo-yo over your non-throw hand and let this string hang down. Next you're going to take your non-throw hand thumb and grab the string hanging over your hand here. Then you're going to transfer the string onto your thumb like that. You're actually going to take your throw hand and then reach and grab the string from underneath and drape it over your hand like so. And then you're going to take the string and swing it away from your body. This is towards you guys, but away from your body, and it comes over your hand. And you actually want to land the yo-yo through this part. So I'm going to show you from a different angle what this looks like. So from here, you can see we popped it up through this triangle, came up on this string, brought it up onto here, and this is where part 2 ends. You pop it out, bring your non-throw hand up against the string here, you drape this down, take your non-throw hand thumb, grab this string, take your throw hand, bring it into the loop, and you're going to take this underneath like that, swing it over, and this is the loop that you drop the yo-yo through. One more time, I'm just going to show you, so you might want to watch the video carefully for this part. So let me get you up to part 2. So this is that. You pop the yo-yo up, thumb, drop down, reach in, twist towards yourself. Shoot the yo-yo through here once, just like that. And the last part is you take your non-throw hand pointer finger, you raise this up like so, and you actually drop the string with your thumb and aim it in towards the yo-yo just like that. It's going to bring it into a triangle. That's the last part of ladder escape. So one last time. The whole trick looks like this. Once you pop it to that triangle, that last part, you pinch, swing, and guide it into the loop. And that's ladder escape.